Hey guys, this is going to be a video on Miami Electric Board's 3D printed wheel adapters. Now, I have both of them right here. One is for the orangutan Kegel and the other one is for the ABEC flywheel. This will work on the clones as well, which is what I'm using today, or any wheel that has this grill pattern. On the actual adapters, you'll see that they have little guidelines to help you align them perfectly every time. For the ABEC, you want to make sure you get the wheel on the flat edge, not the one over here that has a bit of a curve. So this is the back side of the wheel. Just gonna go ahead, place your motor mount, your wheel adapter in there. The first time you may hear a little bit of creaking. That's normal. And the washer also has the same guidelines. So you want to make sure when you place it, you can still see through. You can still see through right there. Because you're still going to need some screws to hold it all together. The screws that I like to use are the 8-32, and they should have a little cone head like this, so a flat screw. Obviously this one's too short, but something along this line. Just want to go ahead, place it through. See, you have a little bit sticking out on the opposite end, and here you want to make sure you use some Loctite when you put your little screw nut in there. So that'll keep it tight, and you want to go ahead and put all the screws around it. So on the ABEC you will have 6 screws. The Kegel is a little bit different. Since the Kegel is a smaller wheel, the screws are still going to be the same type, but it's going to be a little bit tougher to get them through. Now, again, you have the alignment. Just want to go ahead, make sure it fits good. And now, when you put in the screw, a little bit may stick out. So what you want to go ahead and do is put your screwdriver on it and just give it a little tap. So it goes all the way in, and it's a flat side. See that right there? And you want to go ahead and do that for all the 5 screws. This one also has a washer, so you want to make sure when you put in your washer you can still see through, so the screw can come all the way out. I'm going to go ahead and put all the screws in. Alright, so after they're all in there and you've tightened the other side, you're going to go ahead and put them on your truck and tighten your wheel screw. Alright, so for the first few runs, you may hear that. That is because your screw is going to tap on the truck just a little bit. After a while, it will eventually just grind out, or you can grind the screw yourself to match the cutout. But just know to expect that for the first few runs. On the ABEC, it's a little bit different. I'll go ahead and just put all the screws in. And tighten them up just a bit. So with the ABEC, you don't hear any noise because the grill is a little bit bigger, so the screws are wider spread. Alright, this one. Or you want to change out your adapters. To take them off, it's pretty simple. You either grab it by the middle a little bit and just pull out evenly. With the ABEC, since it is a little bit bigger on the grill, maybe a little bit tougher to get out. Same thing. Take off all the washer screws, and then instead of grabbing it by the middle, you can just try to wiggle it out slowly. And evenly. That's it. With the washer, same thing.